Hello everyone, it's Stephanie Manley with Copycat.com. Today I want to show you how to make these great old-fashioned cream cheese mints. They're popular for bridal showers and baby showers, so let's get started. We're going to put in this big bowl here 8 ounces of cream cheese, 2 to 3 tablespoons of butter, and 2 pounds of powdered sugar. Now we're also going to add in some mint extract. Now you can use mint extract or peppermint extract. They both work really well. Just make sure they're safe for food consumption. Don't use peppermint oil or mint oil. They may not be safe to eat, but you're going to blend this in all together. Now I'm using a mixer here, but you could use a food processor or you can go old school and do it by hand. So blend this really well till all the powdered sugar gets fully incorporated. It'll have the texture of something like Play-Doh, and the next thing that we will want to do is we will want to add color to this mint dough right here. Now, how many colors would you like? Well, that's up to you. I only chose 2, but divide out your dough into how many colors you'd like to use. Now, I'm going to use gel food coloring here, and I'll leave a link in the description box down below of my favorite gel color. But you can also use the food coloring that you probably use to dye your Easter eggs with. Now, popular colors are often those lovely pastel colors like blue and pink and green and yellow, but you can do it any way you like it. They're your mints. So blend in this color really, really well. This will take a little bit of time, but you'll get the colors in perfect. All right, so we're going to roll these into small balls. I'm using about a teaspoon or so right here. Now this makes a lot of mints. I think I got about 80 out of this batch right here. These nice, really small ones. So just go ahead and roll all of your mints into these little balls right here. Now I did line the baking sheet with some powdered sugar. I live in the South and these are kind of sticky, so the powdered sugar keeps them from sticking. Don't worry, the powdered sugar does reabsorb back into the mint. So once you get them all in there, all rolled up, I'm going to give them a quick toss to just coat them a little bit. And again, like I said, the powdered sugar will reabsorb. And you're going to use your fork to make pretty little designs right here. Now you could go over it twice if you like. And then you're going to store these. So I'm storing these between sheets of wax paper, and that's it. These mints are so easy to make. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you haven't already, why not subscribe? It's free, it's easy, and I release videos all the time. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and drop me a comment down below of what you'd like to see next. Thanks so much for watching.